is 4:20 in the morning. My friend has me up because we are going on a hike. I'm still a little tired. Okay, so from this hike, I want to just gain a lot of clarity. I have a couple questions that, I want to find the answers to that I've thought about. So hopefully we can be able to do that on this trip, or I can be able to do that on this trip. That's my whole goal for this hike. So each hike, I want to be able to answer a question for myself. So let's see how it goes.
Ocean views, small circle, it's a chosen few. I wrote it down and I followed through. I bought a pound and we rode the...
So we started. I want to start off by saying I was lied to and not given the full disclosure of this hike. So far I'm enjoying it. We're about 5 minutes in. We'll see how this goes.
I talk shit, but she know it's true. Blessings. Yeah, with all this money, I'm obsessive. Weapons. Turning off y'all extras. Turning off this bullshit direction. Turning up my grind. Waking up to more pressure. But it's all in your mind, so I never feel pressure. Know it's all in due time. Now let it stacking like Tetris. Hustle hard is my message. Then double back and get extras. Know I spaz when I catch it. Yellow bone, white Lexus. All black tint, 2 white cups, fat gold chain.
We have made it.
Fat gold chain, Sprite, Texas. I'm just young and I'm reckless. I'm just on for my section. I'm just out on top speed with my top down and I'm revving. I don't know about hell, I don't know about heaven. All I know is about right now, and this lifestyle is interesting. Ice down in my...
Very great, very rewarding. Not too tiring. Definitely need some water.
Ocean views, small circle, it's a chosen few. I wrote it down and I followed through. I bought a pound and we rode the few. I talk shit, but she know it's true. Ocean views, small circle, it's a chosen few. I wrote it down and I followed through. I bought a pound and we rode the few. I talk shit, but she know it's true.
Just ended. It was amazing.
Them buildings is really high, and cars is really foreign, and all I see is ocean views. Small circle, it's a chosen few. I wrote it down and I followed through. I bought a pound and we rode the few. I talk shit, but she know it's true. Ocean views, small circle, it's a chosen few. I wrote it down and I followed through. I bought a pound and we rode the few. I talk shit, but she know it's true.